heard you don't like her. Cause she a bad girl, she a monster, I believe she's a strong woman, wise woman, hard woman. She's a winner.
We gonna get freaky. Looks like a duty if you wanna get freaky. We're not sweetie, we gonna get freaky. Looks like a duty if you wanna get freaky.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, that's the Royal Court of 2023. Let's give them another round of applause.
And thanks to Sheraton Hotel for making sure that we have such an elegant execution tonight.
That's right.
And the judges, as we're waiting for the final tallies.
That's right.
Those watching at home, the pressure seems to be increasing. We are waiting to hear from the judges, but before the judges give us the tallies.
Yes, so before we do, I want you to put your attention to the back of the stage. Those queens right there, that's our Academy of Queens.
Give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
So once you join the Miss Uganda organization, it's a family. You seem to never leave. They've helped the girls so much in so many ways with their public speaking, with their ramp walk. Thank you so much, ladies. We appreciate you. All right, so before we invite the judges to bring the results,
all right, in the spirit of East Africa, we're going to request Halima from Tanzania and Miss Africa to come and join us on this code as we're celebrating beauty. Just turn to your neighbor, tell your neighbor they are beauty queens. Yeah. Hey!
Now imagine all this beauty on one stage.
On one stage. I feel like King Solomon.
Ghana is very, very blessed.
Let me tell you. But it's such a beautiful night, and not only that, we want in a special way to appreciate the designers. Let's clap for all the designers tonight. They did incredibly great. And Fatuma Asha
with the top 7, incredible. Thank you very much. So next up, we're going to invite our sweet mother. This is our mama, the CEO of Miss Uganda. She's been doing this for 14 years. She's mentored me, mentored all the queens on this stage. And she's very, very loving, very caring. And she sees it upon herself to make sure everyone that goes through her hands succeeds. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together to invite Miss Brenda Nanyonjo.
She's just a girl and she's on fire, hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire, feeling like a catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to thank you all for being here and supporting us this far. It is not usually customary for the Academy of Queens to stand here during the crowning, but we thought it best today to show our support for our mother, to tell her that we stand with her and that we love her and that we are proud and honored to have been nurtured by her all these years, and that we look forward to many more years of Miss Uganda, of raising young ladies, helping communities, and building and encouraging Uganda to be better. So Mama, on behalf of all these young ladies and the ones you will inspire in the years to come, we would like to say that we love you, we honor you, and thank you for being an amazing mother.
Girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire.
Miss Tanzania and Miss Africa would like to have a picture with you right here at the top of the stage, please. Thank you.
This is the moment.
Looks like a girl, but she's a flame.
Judges,
So bright she can burn your eyes.
we're
Never
waiting.
the other way. You can try, but you'll never forget one day.
Give a round of applause to the judges as they make their way here.
On top of the world.
They have done such a tremendous job tonight.
We got our feet on the ground and we're burning it down. Got our head in the clouds and we're not coming down. This girl is on fire.
Andrew, be a gentleman.
She's walking on fire.
Okay.
This girl is on fire. Everybody says that she goes by, and she can see the flame that's in her eyes. Sure, she's lighting up the lights.
Okay. One judge is going to speak on behalf of all the judges.
Hello everyone, my name is Oliver Nakakande, Miss World Uganda 2019, and thank you for coming. The results are in, and it's been a tough job. So we would like to invite our mother, Miss B, to receive and announce the next Miss Uganda who's going to join us. Welcome, Mama. Let's give a round of applause to Mama. She's done an amazing job. Really. That's not enough, guys. Please. Yes, thank you so much.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. No, it's good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Mwasize mutya. Mwasize bulungi. Thank you so much for turning up like this. Thank you for showing support, not to us first, but to your daughters. Thank you so much to each and every parent that believes in us and trusts in us enough to send us your daughters. Thank you so much. You're our #1 partners. Thank you so much. Would like to thank all the sponsors, each and every one of you. We cannot do this without you. We appreciate you and we love you. Thank you so much. In 5th position is Esther Chironde.
Round of applause for Esther Chironde.
In 4th position is Queen Letaru Priska. Your Miss Uganda second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, is Joan Nabatan.
Congratulations. Crowns are being exchanged. We're live at Sheraton Hotel. Pressure is showtime.
I'm going to
Pressure. Miss Uganda 2024-25. Buli omwanyweze munne, buli omwagumye munne. Those watching at home, this is the moment of the night, courtesy of
your first runner-up, Miss Uganda 2024-2025 is Sureya Umema.
We are getting closer. Closer, 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 closer. rare. Congratulations. Great thanks to Sheraton Hotel, Success Motors, NBL, VMA, Sherry. Not forgetting Tiang Tang Group, Nanjing, and Grace Textiles. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, production.
Your Miss Uganda 2024-2025 is Natasha Nyamwezi.
Congratulations, Natasha. Natasha wins. Natasha takes it all. Congratulations. That is the Miss Uganda production. Natasha. Congratulations. Natasha. Production. She takes the crown, ladies and gentlemen. Natasha takes the crown of Miss Uganda 2024-2025. Hannah does the honors. Natasha. Congratulations. That's your queen. That's your queen.